Hello, everyone. Welcome to the webinar session, the University of Nottingham Business School, China. And this webinar session is for our finance and investment program. And this program is our flagship program in the business school. We will discuss more details about what you will learn in this program when you study in our Ningbo campus. First of all, this program is world ranked very high in the worldwide ranking. We rank top 35, the best finance program by Financial Times. And you can see from our PPT here, the program are designed for students with a career choice in broadening finance industry, which include financial market, consulting, mutual fund, private equity fund. Majority of our students, when they graduate, they will join investment bank, commercial bank, other financial industry related work such as a mutual fund, private equity fund, financial service, as well as management consulting industries. Also, of course, include big four accounting firms. You can see from the bottom of this PPT, we give the rankings of salaries, which is provided by Soho website. Soho is a top Chinese website, which includes a variety of information. The salary ranking of graduates, the finance industry are ranked #1, which is very high in China. The second one is consulting. It's similar to the IT industries. So the career perspective when you're choosing the finance investment, it's quite good. From this slide, I'll give you the program structure. You can see as a table, the program has major two parts. The first part is modular will consider some compulsory courses plus some optional courses. Generally speaking, the course will last roughly 1 year. In the first semester, which starts from September each year until the December of each year, you have to learn 3 core modules. The teaching lasts about 10 to 12 weeks time. After the teaching week, that's roughly about 1 month to prepare for final exams, prepare for the first semester final exam. Then the second semester starts from February until the May of each year. In this semester, it includes a core modular plus 2 or 3 optional modular, depends on which subject area you are interested in. Again, it's a 10 to 12 weeks time. After that, it's the final exams. During this process, students are encouraged to think, what is your dissertations? Because from the summertime, from June to August, you are required to write a dissertation roughly about 3 months time. You will spend 3 months time with your supervisor to write a detailed and complex finance related dissertations. This dissertation are individual works. You have to work hard. Roughly, the submission time of your dissertation is end of August of each year. If everything goes smoothly, your graduation will be in October 2020. Okay. From this slide, we provide you the modular structure, which give you the details what you will learn when you join our finance investment program. The left side is the core modular. You can see that the core modular include capital market analysis, which include this course will talk about the financial market, include equity, fixed income, as well as derivative. We do a broad definition, broad introduction in capital market. The second modular is corporate finance. Corporate finance will discuss about how firm will raise and invest their money, how firm performance related to the decision of managerial teams, as well as the large institutional investors. The third core module is derivative investment. Derivative has become popular in the future, will become very popular in the future, used as hedging strategies for firm as well as individual investors. The number 4 core module is called fixed income product. Again, it's talk about debt investment. Number 5 is research method, very important. In research method, you will learn advanced math plus statistics skills. All these are necessary skills when you're writing up your coursework, writing up your dissertation, plus this will be very, very useful if you join a security company in their research department. You will require these necessary skills to perform company as well as industry related analysis. Finally, it's the large part, is your dissertation. It's 60 credits. You spend 3 months time to write a proper dissertation, academic oriented dissertation. On the right side, you will see here is the optional modular. We provide you more variety of choices from accounting side, as well as international finance. We also provide you some management related courses, such as e-business, project management, as well as corporate social responsibility. So we want our finance students not only have a solid knowledge, skills in finance, we also give you a variety of experience as knowledge in broad management related subject. Your exams. Okay. One of the formats of the exam is purely the exam paper. It's like writing things on 2-hour exams. Another possible format of the exam is the coursework, which is also popular in most US and UK universities. The coursework may be in the format of individual or by groups. In addition to these 2 traditional formats, we also have class participation. Class participation means we do encourage students to actively join our class discussions. If you're active, you will get additional reward by joining the classroom discussions. Number 4 format is called presentations. In our finance course, we will have something like a roadshow, the mock roadshow, or in company analysis. All this gives you the chance to practice how to present and how to persuade your customers. Different modulars using different examination formats, but all of them are very efficient. Then let's talk about your dissertations. You all know that dissertation is very important. It's almost equals to 3 core modulars. So it's better that you think what you plan to do in your dissertations. Although your dissertation deadline is in late August, but you need to submit an initial proposal around March of each year. If you want to write an initial proposal, which means you should start to think your dissertation around the Christmas time. And after the Christmas holiday, you should contact your potential supervisor, talk to your supervisor about your initial ideas, and see whether your initial ideas is a suitable ideas that can be moved forward. If everything is perfect, then starting to write your initial proposal. After your initial proposal has been approved, over the next 5 months' time, you will work with your potential supervisors on this specific topic, include data collection, literature review, do the analysis, and formal writing up for the submission. Okay. In order to make you know how this works and makes your work easier, the university as well as the school will offer different workshops that help you to go very easy and go smoothly in your dissertations. One word, please start work early and think early. About how you study here, okay, first, it's indeed a hard work. To finish the FI program, to get a master's degree, you need to get 180 credits plus 60 credit dissertations. In this university, 1 credit is roughly about 10-hour studies. Okay, so 180 credits is roughly 180 times 10. This is the amount of time you're going to attend the course, get in touch with your module convener, plus roughly 600 hours spent on the dissertations. Okay. This is a very big demanding task for every student who join these programs. We show you 2 pictures we took in last year's FI program. You can see that this picture is talk about mock roadshows. Roadshow means some firms will do some demonstrations to other investors in order to persuade investor to make the investment. Roadshow is popular in IPO process as well as in takeover process. You can see from these 2 pictures, you will be assigned into different groups, roughly in the group of 4 members. 4 of you will be given a topic, either an individual company or a specific industry. You will treat yourself as a financial analyst, and your job is to use PPT as well as other necessary materials to persuade your classmate, the potential client, that you are doing the proper jobs and that you are actually making good recommendations. We do feel that the mock roadshow is a very good opportunity for students to prepare their presentation skills, as well as for students to go deep into the knowledge they learn in our finance course. In this campus, we are very proud of our interactive teaching sessions. Interactive means your final marks have, generally speaking, your final marks will have 3 components, including the paper exam, coursework, plus ACP. ACP is something that I mentioned just now. It's the reward to students who actively participate. The module convener in each modular, in each courses, will always raise different questions, and this requires you to answer, to participate, to comment in these questions. For students who active, who answer the question very good, they will get additional reward. Some of the modular, the students will get about 20% of their total marks just simply from the active participate. So you are indeed encouraged to actively participate in our class discussion. In order to do the class discussion very well, you should prepare well, at least know the textbook, plus you should know the practical word, how this works, in order to answer the question very well. This slide tells students, I think this is one of the most important slides you are interested in, okay? It's our finance investment student graduate destinations. It shows that roughly 7% of our graduate students will straightly go to finance-related industries, which include the commercial bank, investment bank, as well as other consulting firms. Of course, our FI students, you can join other industry as well. For example, finance education, manufacturers, constructions. Almost every industry, they will have a finance department. This is somewhere, it's your destinations. These 2 slides show you a summary statistic. It's our students who graduated recently from our FI program and where they work for. From this list, you can see that This list covers most of the big commercial banks in China, security firms in China, big investment bank, as well as the state-owned companies. More importantly, you also notice that our finance and investment students also work for Big Four company, Big Four accounting firms in China, as well as in other parts of the world. So our finance investment program do provide students a variety of career choice you will have. In our FI program, we do use WeChat groups. Okay, the WeChat groups will provide students the latest progress of some news, some announcements, as well as employment fairs. We use WeChat groups to connect students from different years when they graduate from our university. We do emphasize e-learnings, which means all the materials, course-related content will be uploaded on the web. We have a central website called Moodles. In this Moodles, it's very interactive web page that includes everything you need in order to learn very well in our finance as well as other related to management courses. So the teaching materials do pay attention to the Moodles as well as the email plus WeChat. This is everything I want to tell you about our finance and investment program, and do hope that you enjoy your studies in our Ningbo campus. Thank you.